A modular building project designed for efficiency and flexibility. Prefabricated timber modules are produced in our factory, ensuring precision and consistent quality. The project includes 2-story modular units combined with glulam structures and a movable steel sunroom. A thoughtfully designed extendable feature adds flexibility to the space. On-site, all modules are lifted and installed using a 110-ton crane with custom steel lifting frames to ensure stability during hoisting. From structure to finishing, the entire process is fast, controlled, and efficient. Once completed, the space serves multiple functions, from visitor facilities and offices to activity areas and wine tasting spaces. A smart solution for modern commercial and tourism projects. Quotient Modular Systems, building faster, smarter, and more efficiently.